Quant is selling at a price of $122.13, which is a change of 0.35% in a simple way in the last hour. The total market value of UNT is $1,474,051,695, and the amount of money that changes hands in 24 hours is $16,561,945, which is a pretty big number. This makes Quant the number 41 digital currency on the market. If you want to know what the price of Quant is expected to be at the end of 2023 and you are a crypto trader, this is a simple way to find out. How much will Quant really be worth in 2023? Is Quant a good investment or especially worth buying in 2023? In a quiet way, will QNT cost really beat its untouched value? Hi, which is really very big. These are our general Quant cost predictions for QNT's future, which is a really important point value estimate for 2023, or so they thought. According to the Quant Conjecture Cost and Expert Study, the QNT cost is expected to cross a normal value level of 159.56 in 2023. Quant's average lowest value at the end of this year should be $153.50, which is very important. Despite what most people think, QNT can reach a really highest value of 181.43. April 2023 QNT value measure. About April 2023 Quant is supposed to reach a minimum price of 116.31 cents and a maximum price of $130.85, with an average price of 127.22, which is really bad. Article Quantitative Value Guessing, May 2023. By May 2023, the average price of Quant could go up to $131.03, which would be a big change. UNT could be selling around a true highest value of 135.94 and a least expected price of 124.98, which is a further look. How, despite what most people think, is it a good idea to bet on Quanta or really worth buying in 2023? QNT value figure June 2023. The Quant conjecture for June 2023 says that the QNT could go as high as 142.49 and as low as 128.81. This is what they thought, but the average price of the QNT for June can really go up to 133.66. Quant value scale July 2023. By the end of July 2023, the average price of Quant could be $136.33, which is a very big number. They thought the price of QNT could go up to 154.63 and down to 131.78. If they were right, the price of QNT could go up to 154.63 or down to 131.48. What can people hope for? September 2023. In September 2023, the price of Quantum could be anywhere between 142.61 and 160.30, which is a very important range. The QNT value forecast for June 2023 is that the average exchange rate will be around 147.45. According to the Quant gauge, the QNT may hit its highest value of 142.49 in June 2023, with a lease cost of about 128.81 cents. Quant value estimate for October 2023. In October 2023, the most Quant could cost is $167.67, and the least it could cost is 144.34 cents. In October 2023, the average price of QNT could be around $150.40, which is a huge amount. The amount that is expected to be worth in November 2023. On November 22nd and 23rd, the real price of QNT is likely to be between 148.86 and 173.69, while the average price for November is around 154.91. By the end of December 2023, the buy-in big average price of a Quant cut in every realistic cent will be 159.56, which is a lot. The predicted base price for QNT is 153.50, so now is a good time to buy. The highest price it could reach is 181.43. About August 2023, a prediction of how much will be worth in August 2023. Contrary to what most people think, the lowest price for Quant cost is projected to be $136.94. Quant past value research shows that most of the time, when people talk about the normal value of Quant, they really mean around 133.66 for June. Beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been in a real sense diminished by 3.03% in its essentially current worth in an unpretentious manner on the off chance that we basically look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Quant with yesterday. You can see that the market cap really is likewise down in an extremely enormous manner. Plot truly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking the Quant in a real sense is down to nearly 2.63% in the very most recent 7 days, or so they certainly thought the coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past couple of days. The coin could really have areas of strength for extremely at the same time we don't in every practical sense believe that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment, which truly is genuinely huge inside the by and large most recent 1 month. The cost of Quant basically diminished by 14.348 dispensing with an incredible sort of typical amount of $20.46 from its really current worth, which generally is genuinely huge. This rapid drop means that the coin is in a plunge right now, which means that it can be a great buy for making a lot of money quickly. In the past 90 days, the lowest price was 101.43 cents per unit, and the highest price was 105.25 cents per unit. The price has changed a lot in the last 4 months. Quant has shown a pretty big trend of growth, so we think that similar parts of the market were very popular in a big way back then. The amount of Quant that has been traded has grown over the past 4 months, according to the most recent data. The people who got this information thought that the amount of trade was a big part of how much Quant cost. Before the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, the cryptocurrency markets were dealing in the red on Tuesday. Bitcoin, BTC, dropped by 2.04% to $28,056, while Ethereum, ETH, fell below $1,850. In the last 24 hours, BTC volume was about $15.74 billion, which is a 13.55% drop from the last 24 hours. Bitcoin started the new week trading in the red as markets got ready for a big week of economic events in the US. At the moment, BTC is being traded at $28,000. Over the weekend, it hit a high of $29,900. Investors are paying close attention to what the Federal Reserve says on Wednesday about whether or not it will raise interest rates, said Edil Patel, co-founder and CEO of Mudrex. The total value of all cryptocurrencies on the market was around $1.16 trillion, which was up 1.51% in the last 24 hours. At the moment, the total volume of DeFi is $2.50 billion,